Hello everyone, my name is Jake Valentine. I am a user experience design student at Raleigh's William Peace University. My chosen topic for this project was creating a backpack specifically made for special operations units within the US military and tailored to meet their needs and to solve some of the issues that current backpacks don't solve. Here's the backpack. This is essentially the final prototype without further introduction. I'm just going to start breaking down the backpack from this side to this side and what makes it innovative. So I've named this bag the Sage Bag Secure Accessible General Equipment Bag. The dimensions of this backpack are specifically so that it can fit over a ballistic plate carrier, such as the one behind me right here, which is obviously very, very prevalent in the military. Most missions users are going to be wearing them. It's very important that whatever backpack they have can be worn over it without interfering or being uncomfortable with any of their equipment. And to achieve that, it has a flat back with a stiffener, which is a 1/4 inch thick foam sheet that is inside of this fabric. This is a very durable fabric, and as you see, there's no spacer mesh here or breathable material. That's because it tears really easily when it's against abrasive material. So I really don't feel like there's a need to add any of that breathable mesh material. At the top here, we have a carry handle, pretty standard, all backpacks have them. I'm gonna come back to the shoulder straps at the end. All right, moving this way, we have a dual zip top that comes down about 1/3 of the way on the bag. And then when you open it up, this is the tool compartment. So tool compartment is specifically made to hold bulky items, heavy items, sharp items, bolt cutters, hammers, breaching charges, rope, halogen bars, other pry bars, anything that can easily damage other items and that's heavy and bulky. Having the tool sleeve right up against the user's back helps keep the weight farther forward on the wearer so that they don't feel the effects of the weight as much. It kind of consolidates their center of gravity. Inside, there is a laptop sleeve that is padded on both sides, again with 1/4 inch foam. On that laptop sleeve, moving this way, there are 2 tool sleeves that are 4 inches wide and then run the length of the backpack all the way down. They are triple stitched at the bottom, so any tools that go in here will be held securely. They fit bolt cutters and hammers. Moving farther in, we have the main cavity of the tool compartment, a space to fit things that don't fit in any of the predetermined sleeves. And then all the way on this wall, there's a small map pouch, which is just a flat, small pouch that can fit any small items that you don't want to lose. Also in the tool sleeve, tucked away, is this hidden G-hook. This is adjustable and comes out to hook onto the top of the pack here, like so. The reason for this is that if you have any tools in the tool sleeves that stick out the top, you can't zip the pack all the way up, obviously. Hooking this hook here while you have tools sticking out helps to keep the bag from sagging open. And when it's not in use, it just tucks away inside of the bag. Moving on to the front compartment of the Sage bag, it is a vertical zip, kind of like a duffel bag style. What the vertical zip does is allow the user to access all of the contents within the bag without removing anything. And they can do it all at once. Opening this compartment up, there is nothing inside. Actually, there's a blanket in there right now just to help puff it up. But there's no compartments or sleeves or anything in here. It's just for the user to put whatever they want in there. Almost forgot, on the front here, there's these 2 carry handles. You don't want to have to zip it up, move, and then unzip it. You just want to grab this thing and go. Here, there's these sleeves. They're not elastic or anything. They're the same material as the whole bag, which I'll get into in a second. They are just there to hold bulky equipment that can be cinched to the front of the pack. This is great for things like tripods that really just don't fit. These compression straps can be cinched down really tight. The reason why you would want to compress stuff down in the pack is, well, there's a couple reasons actually. One, it makes the whole pack more slim. The second one is it pulls all of the weight towards you, which helps consolidate your center of mass, making you more mobile and stable. A third reason is the silence it creates. The shoulder straps. These are completely removable from the pack. And then this pack just turns into a duffel bag, briefcase style bag. But yeah, that's it for the actual design and aspects of the bag. Moving into the material, Cordura nylon is the perfect material for this. It's made in America. It's NIR compliant, which means that it doesn't glow when it's looked at under night vision goggles. Not super important for civilians, but for a special operator, that can be the difference between life and death. It's super durable, pretty lightweight, tear resistant, water resistant, puncture resistant. It's just a really all-around great fabric. So the entire construction, inside and out, is Cordura nylon. On the sides here, where there's these molle panels that I actually forgot to go over, so it's good that I'm hitting them now. This is where a user could molle on pouches. There's 2 columns. This is good for water bottle pouches, magazine pouches, and grenade pouches, as well as communications, so radios and things like that. But this is made of Brookwood Squadron, which is 2 layers of Cordura fabric laminated together, and it's laser cut. I'm really happy about this backpack. I think it came out very well, and it really put my skills to the test, both as a designer and a manufacturer.